Okay, so if you're going to Beacon 42, you're going to pass the Haulover Canal and you're going to keep going about 1.5 miles down, and we're going to make a right onto the Beacon 42 boat ramp road. So I'm going to show you here where that is. So again, you're going past the Haulover Canal, keep going straight. Notice up on your left there's a giant golf ball looking thing. That's actually the beacon. It's one of the Space Center beacons. Help them track where they are on the Earth. You'll see on the right across from the beacon, a sign that says Beacon 42 boat ramp. And you're going to follow this access road all the way down. It's about 1 mile long. For things like wild boars and other things that might run out in the road, and obviously also human beings, because there's going to be a lot of them down here in the middle of the summer. This grassy area that you see over to my left is where people park for the bioluminescence tours. All along this grassy area, it can get quite crowded on Saturday, Friday, Saturday nights, holiday weekends, during the summer, when we're launching the bioluminescence tours, so just be careful. But once you pull up to here, you will see BK Adventures van and our table. You can just get checked in and enjoy your bioluminescence tour at Beacon 42 on the Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge.